Okay, class, that's the end of our lesson. Pack up your things and have a good weekend.
Yo, he's supposed to assign his homework, right?
Maybe he forgot, but don't tell him, okay?
Wait, teacher, you forgot to give us homework over the weekend.
I can't with this
oh
kid,
my
bro.
God, there's no way
I
There goes
hate you
all my
so
plans,
much.
and now yeah, that's right. Everyone get your notebooks out so you can write down the assignment, okay?
Thank you, teacher.
Greg, you bumbling idiot.
What's the problem, Simon? Don't you like doing homework on the weekend?
No! Nobody does! It's like the worst way to spend a weekend!
Wait, you mean to tell me your parents don't lock you in a room and force you to do fractions all day?
I need to call CPS or something?
Either way, anytime doing homework is time well spent.
You're not a PSA! Stop trying to be a hero, okay?
Simon, why are you yelling at Greg again? Why are you assigning us homework over the weekend? Why can't you have amnesia? Simon, relax. The homework isn't even that bad.
Oh, really? What is it?
Oh, you know, just a 20-page essay on how you would achieve world peace. Simon, why did you yell at Greg in class? Greg reminded the teacher to give homework over the weekend. You called him a cotton-headed ninny-muggins. What does that even mean? I don't know, but it made him cry, so...
Get out!